Hello and good morning, dear children. This is next clip related number system. Here we'll input a number and check whether number is a ISBN number or not. Thing is, what is ISBN? ISBN, that is International Standard Book Number. When you see your book, every book, storybook, copy, novel, we will get a code. Can you see this code? This code is known as ISBN. This code is known as ISBN, International Standard Book Number. So here is the number. Number is 14016014999. Number one thing, your number, which number will input, that number must be 10 digit number. Not more than 10, not less than 10. Must be 10 digit number. If number is 10 digit, then we have to follow some rules. What is the rules? Suppose this is a number. So this number 1 will multiply by 1, plus 4 is multiplied by 2, plus 0 is multiplied by 3, plus 1 is multiplied by 4, plus 6 is multiplied by 5. Like that, this 4 will multiply by 8, this 9 will multiply by 9, and last 9 will multiply by 10. This is the process. So how we will extract, how we will do modulus 10. This number modulus 10, we will extract what? We will extract 9, which is multiplied by 10. Again, next digit will multiply by 9, plus next digit will multiply by 8, plus next digit will multiply by 7, and so that 4 will multiply by 2 and 1 will multiply by 1. When you add all these things, we will store this one in a variable s. We will store all the values, addition of all the values in s. And if this number is divisible by 11, if this number, addition of this number is divisible by 11, that is known as ISBN number. Children, I will explain two methods to extract these things. I am going to explain two methods for logic of this program. Number one, this is a number, we input sc.nextIn. Suppose this is a number. Here I will take s is equal to 0 and I. This is for loop. If you write here for I is equal to 10, I greater than equal to 1 and I minus minus. Can you tell me how many times this loop will execute? This loop will execute 10 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, dot dot dot, 3, 2, 1. So when this loop will execute, what will be the final value of I? What will be the final value, last value? So if this loop will execute 10 times, that means your I will be what? Final value of I will be what? 0. If we will get 0, that means number is 10 digit, isn't it? Now, integer d equal to the number n modulus 10. Here we will get the last digit, extract the last digit 9, and s equal to s plus 9, which is multiplied by I. What is the value of I? 10. And n equal to n by 10. Digit will we will get 9 digit again here. I ka value will be 9, d will be n modulus 10, again 9, s equal to last value of s plus 9 multiplied by 9. Again the value of I will be 8, the value of d will be 4, s plus 4 multiplied by 8. Like that it will go on. So when this loop will execute and if the digit is number is 10 digit, if the number is 10 digit means that loop will execute 10 times. And after that when you write if I is equal to 0, what do you mean? That means loop is going to execute 10 times, and sum of that number as modulus 11 is equal to 0 means both the condition must be true. I is equal to 0 means number is 10 digit, and addition of all the things is divisible by 11 as per this condition. That is a ISBN number, else not. This is a technique 1. Children, this is a technique 1. Kindly note down. Second technique. Second technique is what? Again we will input a number. This is the process, input a number. Chalo, theek hai. Alright. Now children, count total number of digit. How to count total number of digit? This is I and this is C equal to 0. Suppose S equal to 0. Now counting total number of digit, what is the process? I is equal to n greater than 0, I equal to I by 10, and this is C plus plus. This loop is used to count total number of digit. Already explained in last clip. If the number is 10 digit, the final value of C will be what? 10. Final value of C will be what? 10. Now you can write here if after that statement. If C is not equal to 10, अगर C 10 के बराबर नहीं है, means what? Not a 10 digit number. Then you can write here as system dot out dot println not a 10 digit number, and also you write system dot exit. System dot exit, what it will do? It will exit from the program, not from the block. If condition is true, it will print not a 10 digit number and it will close the program. It will not check any other things. And if the condition is false, then it will go to the else part. It will go to the else part. Use while or do while. Here I am using while n greater than 0, d is equal to n modulus 10 last digit, and s equal to s plus d, which is multiplied by what? Which is multiplied by c, that is 10 minus minus. Next time the value of c will be what? 9. And here you write n is equal to n by 10. Close this loop. Same process, it will extract 1 by 1 digit and it will follow the same rule. C minus minus, first time 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, like that way, and it will add and store in S. After that one, you write here if S is divisible by 11, if S modulus 11 is equal to 0, that is a ISBN number. Else you write here not ISBN number, and close the main method, close the class, and again you just copy write this program in a computer and check whether it is working or not. This type of question, dear children, will carry 15 marks. So many logic, 2-3 logic I used it, so that logic will help you in next program, children. Now here is the one homework. Homework is what? You have to input a number. You have to input a number. Suppose this is number. Suppose this is your number. Sum of digit 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is sum of digit, and product of digit, that means 1 into 2 into 3. If sum of digit is equal to product of digit, that is known as the SPI number. So children, this is homework. Input a number and check whether number is a SPI number or not. Input a number and check whether number is a SPI number or not. Now next question. Next question, you have to input two. Next question, my dear children, you have to input two numbers. This is a number A, this is a number B, and you have to find LCM and SCF of both the number. LCM is least, so that will be what? 5 and 10. So LCM will be what? 5. And SCF highest will be what? Multiplication of both the number divided by LCM. That means 5 into 10 divided by 5 is equal to 10. This is the formula for SCF, and this is the LCM. How to find LCM? You have to extract the minimum, a smaller number between 5 and 10, among 5 and 10. So 5 and 10, the smaller number will be what? M. So your answer will be what? 5. Execute the loop. I is equal to 1, I less than equal to M, I plus plus. This loop will execute how many times? M, that means 5 times. Here you write if A is divisible by I is equal to 0, and B modulus I is equal to 0, means both the condition must be true. When you do this one, so 5 is divisible by 1 as well as 10 is divisible by 1. So your SCF will be what? This LCM, your LCM will be what? LCM will be what? I. So the value of LCM will be 1. Again it will go, the value of I is 2. So 5 modulus 2 is equal to 0? No. 5 modulus 3 is equal to 0? No. 5 modulus 4 is equal to 0? No. No need to check another one. Again 5 modulus 5 is equal to 0. Correct? And 10 modulus 5 is equal to 0. That is true. Both the conditions are true, logical and. The value of I will store in LCM. So next value of LCM will be what? 5. When you print here LCM is equal to LCM, your output will be what? Your output will come 5. Your output will come 5. And integer SCF is equal to multiplication of both the number is divide by LCM. So this is 5 into 10 divided by 5. Your answer will store in SCF, and when you print here SCF is equal to what we will get? We will get here 10. So this is the way you have to input two numbers and print SCF and LCM of both the number. Is it clear, my dear children? In next clip I will explain using for loop some series. Before that, you just do few questions, revision of class 8, that S is equal to x by 2 plus x by 5 plus x by 8 dot 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 by x by n. This is one homework. Number 2, S is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 dot 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 minus 10. This is second homework. This is second homework. Number 3rd will be S is equal to 1 का factorial plus 2 का factorial plus 3 का factorial plus 4 का factorial plus 5 का factorial. Number 4 is S is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 dot 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 n by n plus 1. Just you revise this question, do as a homework, so that next clip I will explain series topic. Thank you. Have a good day.